Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to report a WhatsApp community without leaving it. This updated guide will help you address any concerns while remaining a member of the community. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, look for the Communities tab at the bottom of the screen. It's the icon that looks like overlapping silhouettes. Tap on it to see all the communities you're part of. Now, find the community you want to report and tap on it. This will take you to the community's main page. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots to open a menu of options. From this menu, select Community Info. This will bring up a new screen with details about the community. Scroll down until you see the Report Community option. It's usually near the bottom of the page. Here's the important part. When you tap on Report Community, you'll see a checkbox next to Exit Community. Make sure to uncheck this box if you want to stay in the community while reporting it. This way, you can continue to monitor the situation without losing access. Finally, tap the Report button to submit your report to WhatsApp. They'll review the community based on their guidelines and take appropriate action if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a WhatsApp community without exiting it. This method allows you to bring attention to any issues while staying informed about what's happening in the community. Remember, reporting should be done responsibly and only when there's a genuine concern. WhatsApp takes these reports seriously to maintain a safe environment for all users. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Have a great day and happy WhatsApping.